Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will fix a door handle from the inside. If your door handle looks like that, well, this is a shortcut to make it work until I waited to get the hook until I order a handle. It's brand new. It's from Autodoc. I can share the link with you. So without further ado, let's go and mount this door handle. So first of all, let's look at the handle. It's the same size and same color. It's from this side, so it should very well fit inside. Success. So as we can see, we're having the handle here where the string will come inside to pull the lever, and we need to remove this one. For this job you will only need a screwdriver, a flat one, to pry open this cover inside, and you will need also a Torx key. I think it will be 25. What's the size of this? 25, I guess. We will see. No, it's actually 27. Yes, it's a 27. So we will first need the 27 Torx key, yeah, the X27, to remove the bolt. You need to let this sit there. And now we will make this open. We will just try not to damage it, because we will see it then every time this damage that we made. You can also press this one in, and then it will be open. Yes. If you push this side in, if you push this nipple in, it's very easy to remove. So let's do it again. I push it in to cover it, yeah. And now we're having this. You see that? You need just to push the screwdriver in to make it go inside. Yes, did you see? Just inside and twist it. Okay. So we open it so we can place the things together. First, we can remove our home tool solution that we can mount now the real deal. Yay! Finally. So we are having now to make this work together. So let's try. Push everything together, that we can then see if this will all actually it should pop right inside. Let's test it again. So before we put it inside and screw it on place, we'll just try and test it if it works. Otherwise, we are locked inside. Will it work? In a first try. Very nice. Okay, now let's put the handle back inside. It's on best that you put it like that. You push it on the left side and you push the bigger thing inside first, then push it on the right side again, and then it should just pop inside. Or did I just think it will be just pop inside like that? It's a lot harder. Okay, it is actually inside, but you need to rotate it a bit that it will fit perfectly. So now we can just try to put the screw inside. We have the hole aligned, so we can just put the screw in, and now we can try to screw it in. Door handle open, the plastic thing out of the way, and before we are making the whole assembly together, we will try it out one last time. Okay, and the last thing is to put the cover inside. Well, it's not going that easy inside. Okay, you just need to push it a bit in, and that's it. This is how you replace and install your door handle if your old one is broken. Thank you for watching.